Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today we have two digital cameras battling it out for the title of the best vlogging camera. On the left side of the screen, we have the Antium FHD 4K autofocus vlogging camera, and on the right side we have the Camcorey digital camera. Let the showdown begin. Let's kick things off with the price. The Antium camera comes in at $99, while the Camcorey camera is a steal at just $49. Now I know what you're thinking, is the Antium camera twice as good as the Camcorey camera? Well, let's find out. When it comes to image quality, both cameras have their strengths. The Antium camera boasts a 48-megapixel CMOS sensor and records in stunning 4K Full HD. It's perfect for capturing those crisp and detailed shots that bring your memories to life. On the other hand, the Camcorey camera delivers high-clarity FHD, 1080p videos, and 44-megapixels photos with its newest CMOS metering system. It's a great option for starters and kids who want to shoot decent images with ease. Now let's talk about focus. The Antium camera comes equipped with an autofocus function, ensuring that your subjects are always sharp and in focus. Say goodbye to blurry shots. The Camcorey camera, on the other hand, keeps things simple with its easy-to-use point-and-shoot design. No need to worry about complicated manual settings. Just press the shutter and you're good to go. Zooming in on the action is a breeze with both cameras. The Antium camera offers a 16x digital zoom, allowing you to get up close and personal or capture distant scenes with ease. The Camcorey camera also features a 16x zoom, perfect for photographing objects in the distance. So whether you're capturing that beautiful sunset or your favorite band at a concert, both cameras have you covered. Let's move on to the display and accessories. The Antium camera features a 2.8 inches IPS screen, providing a clear view of your subject in camera settings. It also comes with a built-in LED light, ensuring your photos and videos shine even in low light conditions. Plus, it includes a 32GB SD card and 2 rechargeable batteries, so you can start shooting right away without any interruptions. The Camcorey camera, on the other hand, boasts a large LCD display, making it easy for kids and beginners to navigate. It also comes with 2 large capacity batteries, perfect for travel and long-lasting usage. And just like the Antium camera, it includes all the essential accessories you need to get started. The Antium FHD 4K autofocus vlogging camera and the Camcorey digital camera both have their unique features and advantages. Whether you're a professional vlogger or a beginner looking to capture special moments, both cameras offer great value for their respective prices. And there you have it, folks. The Antium FHD 4K autofocus vlogging camera and the Camcorey digital camera both have their unique features and advantages. Whether you're a professional vlogger or a beginner looking to capture special moments, both cameras offer great value for their respective prices. Remember, it's all about finding the right camera that suits your needs and preferences. We hope this comparison has helped you make a smarter purchasing decision. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more product comparisons on Buy Smart. Until next time, happy vlogging!